Hi guys, welcome to Babuji Academy from Aliza Group of channels. Guys, our today topic is differences between burning process and inspiration process. Although burning process and inspiration both are same, they have same reactants and products and both releases energy, but still there are some differences. These are in burning process energy release is vigorous, means that energy releases at a high rate and not under control and we cannot control it. While in breathing process or respiration process, energy release is slower than burning process and under control. We can control energy release and respiration. Number second difference is that in burning process, energy release in the form of heat and light. While in the breathing or respiration process, energy release is in the form of heat and energy rich compounds. Plus energy rich compounds. Number third is that burning process is a single step process. Burning process is a single step process while breathing is a multi-step process. Number fourth is that no enzymes are involved in burning process. Enzymes are those which speed up a chemical reaction. While in breathing or respiration process, enzymes are involved, mean that respiration process is controlled by enzymes. Number fifth is that in burning process more energy is released. As we studied that energy release is vigorous, so in burning process more energy is released. While in breathing process less amount of energy is released because we studied that energy release is slower and under control. Number 6 and last is that burning process occurs at a high temperature. It requires a high temperature to occur. While breathing or respiration process occurs at body temperature, we know that body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Okay guys, let me summarize what we studied. We studied that burning process is energy releasing. In burning process, energy release is vigorous, mean that energy release is high and not under control. While in breathing, energy release is slower and under control. Number second is that energy release is in the form of heat and light. While in breathing process, energy release is in the form of heat and energy rich compounds. Compounds are substances having more than one element. Enzymes are not involved in burning process, while in breathing process enzymes are involved. More energy is released in burning process, while less energy is released in breathing process. Last is that burning process occur at a high temperature, while breathing or respiration occur at body temperature. Okay guys, that was our today video lecture about the differences between burning process and respiration or breathing process. Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video. Thank you.